And this is what happens when a Mustang owner gets their hands on a Tesla. Why is it we pull the toys out and it starts raining?
I don't know.
Stop now though. You pulled up and brought the good energy, so yeah. I think we're gonna be all right. Dude, you're rocking 2 shirts in a row? Where'd you get that from?
DVP.shop?
Close. DVPsquad.shop, but it was close enough. Jordan rocking the 001, and I feel bad for the fam that wasn't able to snag one of those. Like, look at that. Blucifer flight risk. Huh? I had an idea. Just got this thing, and it's white. The white and blue go crazy. I don't know, maybe 003 is a collab shirt. We're gonna take these over to Gordon's. It's an S197 kind of week, I think. You guys saw Monday's video if you didn't check it out. Jordan's Paxton Boss. We had Blucifer and Electra. Went out for a cruise. It was such a fun time, and you know, we're appreciating these cars yet again, especially me. You know, this kind of gets put on the back burner when I have the new stuff rolling in, but now that I'm forced to drive this car every day, it's actually it's a nice little reminder, you know, things work in mysterious ways. I was actually just looking through some parts in the garage, looking for my Vortec, my little filter thing for the road trip, and I came across a little something. Not that you want to run them, but I'm just... That may have just sealed the deal there, buddy. I've had these things for like 2 years. I want to know if they're the same color, because I know there's a performance white and an Oxford white, and I think Jordan's is the performance, and I don't know... Yeah, I think this is I think these are Oxford. It is a little different. I don't know if you guys can see the shade, but they're different. His is like a more dark, like, dude, look at the difference though. Yours has like almost a gray to it compared to the Oxford. Just for Gicks and Shiggles. Yeah, I don't really like these anyway, to be honest. If anybody wants them, they're Oxford white pre-painted. Did that one get jacked up?
Nah, it's alright.
Yeah, it's fine. It just fell face down, you know, but good paint job. It'll last. You could come get them. Just come get them. I did find my Vortec filter. I just don't know where I put the couplers. I want to say I actually threw them away. Just because I was like, I ain't using that. But now I kind of need them. And they're not in here. Oh, there's my camera. That's cool. I was looking for this. I know you want to upgrade to the metal one, but you can have this one if like an oh shit moment happens, because they are known for splitting. So at least you'll have one on deck and you won't have to wait or be stranded. So you can have that. Man, I really hope we don't get rained on. I don't know if you can see those clouds over there, but they are dark. I got caught in the rain once before with this setup, with the open hood and the open blower, which is kind of scary just because, you know, the simple fact that that blower is sucking in air, and if water gets in there, you're essentially sucking in water to your motor. So that's why I'm gonna set up that like Paxton Vortec filter kit for when I go to Mustang week, just in case I get trapped in some crazy rain down there. I don't have to worry about that. That car looks so good. These types of videos, just getting the cars out, driving around, having some fun with the boys. Drop a like up on this video. Let's smash 2,000 likes, get this video pushed into the algorithm, and get this channel popping back with the S197 content. Pulling up to Gordon's now. Oh damn, there they are. Yo, this whole time I thought his Cali special was white. I thought it was white the whole time. It's silver. You guys know Gordon has always had stuff going on behind the scenes, and he just picked up an S197. I had no idea he was gonna get another one, but this one, I think he got an insane deal on it.
Back it in. Let's pull it right here.
You want? Okay.
Yeah, let's pull it like right here. There he goes. Boss 302 meets these.
Dude, you got another toy?
I know.
Does it ever end with you?
No, the Mach 1 went away.
Yeah, I see that. Is this the replacement?
This is
Look at this, man. Cali Special on air.
It's a work in progress. I have bags for the rear because the previous owner popped them.
Okay.
I bought new bags.
Nice.
And then I do have a wheel that matches. It's just needs to get mounted.
Yeah, you got a good deal on this, didn't you? Like, insane deal.
Yeah.
I mean, we'll look at it and stuff. But Cali Special, nonetheless. I mean, that's fire. Dude, I was telling him, I was like, yeah, Gordon just got a white Paxton car. For some reason, I thought it was white.
It looks white.
It does on photos. I was like, oh, that's white. But I got some Corsa Extreme quads. What are you doing with these? Oh, you just got those for this.
Yeah.
Damn. So what's the plans with this, man? Is this a car you're gonna keep for a bit, or is it gonna be a flip?
I'll put it this way: I want to keep it.
You want to keep it?
As long as I can try to keep it, I'm gonna keep it.
Yeah.
But if someone comes and offers me money, then I can't refuse.
Yeah, you can't refuse it. Can't refuse it. Well,
Shelby though, Shelby went anywhere.
Guys, Gordon just put these like 350R wheels in silver on what's the magnetic? Is it magnetic gray?
Yeah.
On the magnetic gray.
6GR forged hand brush.
The Project 6s are sick. I've been in talks with them. But dude, these wheels, bro, ever since you put them on this car, I was like, okay, that's what it needed. Yeah. The car needed that, man. And you got rid of the big wing. You got a 350R carbon wing, which this looks incredible too, for real. Oh God, you have such a nice car here, dude. God, I love this wheel and tire setup on this. These are actually some of my favorite just because of the badging. Ford Performance right there. Nice leather Recaros. And I like the stitching. The Performance matches the cage and the stripe. Dude, I don't know. I kind of like these in here. I'm not gonna lie. These look sick. So can I have the other seats? No. Come on, bro. What do you think about the Mach, man?
It's really sad, but I'm happy it's getting fixed at least.
It's getting fixed. I don't know what to do, bro.
Why y'all got it out from my boy?
Dude, I'm really lost. Like, okay.
2 times on what, the same corner?
Yeah, same side, bro. 2 times within like a 2-month period. Oh, it's insane, dude. And it's just so unfortunate because like I'm just
early on in the car's life too.
Dude, I haven't got to enjoy it. I feel completely robbed of that experience. I got to enjoy it a little bit.
And now you got to get the PPF redone. Right?
Now I got to get the PPF redone, the stripes redone. I have to now when I get the car back though, it has to sit for another 30 days before I can do anything.
Well, yeah, because
has to cure, have to get it polished.
Yep.
It's just like at this point though, I'm trying to see the end of it. And just like, okay, when it's done, it might be enjoyable again, but it's just like, dude, I don't even want it anymore. That's how I feel right now.
It's just like ruined it for you.
It really has, and it's been so long, it almost feels like I forget about it at times, you know, until that payment comes out, and I'm like, oh yeah, I own a Mach 1. Well, tell us about this Cali, bro. Where'd this thing come from?
Bought this thing out of Norfolk, Virginia Beach area. Saw it on Marketplace like a few weeks before, and I was like, oh wow, it's a nice looking car. And then I saw like what it had, and I was like, okay, it's got some nice mods.
Gordon got me an umbrella. What is that?
I don't know. I found it in my closet. I think my grandma got it for me.
Dude, I think your house is haunted.
It might be. He didn't know much about the car. I'd seen it on Marketplace a few weeks earlier, and he just kept dropping the price, and I'm like, I have this very bad tendency to just throw offers at people that I'm like, if they take it, then like, okay. I may have thrown him an offer. He may have said okay. So it's like, okay, well, I guess I'm going to the bank tomorrow morning. 20 projection lights. It's got the Shaker Pro audio system.
Okay. Damn, interior's nice.
Manual.
How many miles are on it?
83,000.
Oh, shit.
Just turned.
I thought it was going to be over 100. Damn, not bad.
8,000 miles, it got these Roush axle backs, and the car's got 83 on it now.
All right, pause.
We gotta put them on my
He wants Roushes. I was like, wait a minute.
I want to see what it sounds like.
Bro. I do have the little like breather connector.
Nice. Got a little Novi 2200 in black. Hell yeah.
Max Flow Race.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Hey, chill. That's what I have. Relax. What, you don't like the whistle?
No, I love it.
Oh, do you?
I do.
It's addicting, isn't it?
It's so cool.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I was having a real good time in the tunnel on the way home.
Oh, dude, they whistle so loud. Gordon back again with another deal. Steel.
Another car.
California special. I'm anxious to see when you...
used car sales, everyone.
Yeah, when you get it all up and running back to where you want it, we got to get them out.
Oh, yeah.
Have some fun. If you guys want to know my life goals, this is it right here. Having a dually with a big trailer, 2 buggies, and a camper on the back. Tell me that doesn't look like straight fun.
That's so...
Would you do it?
Yeah, you just need like some dirt bikes or like...
Dirt bikes, a couple ATVs. Those things will get down though, bro.
Oh, yeah.
This guy is living it. Got a generator on deck.
Dang.
Oh yeah, this dude's living it up.
You got a train horn.
Parked up the Mustangs, we are meeting with our friend Hunter. Hunter has a boosted Mach 1, as you guys saw. In the last video we filmed with him, he was actually swinging it in a parking lot. Well, Hunter went off the deep end. He's full electric now. I think he still has the Mach, but he went off the deep end. What up, Elon? Where the Tesla at? Oh, you keep that in the garage, but not the Mach. Damn, y'all see this? He leaves the Mach outside. How's it been, man? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Derek.
Mike.
Mike, good to meet you.
How are you? Get me.
Damn, a Tesla, huh?
Cruising down fucking Broad. I was like, hey, look, this is my buddy Mike. And I was like, that guy's a YouTuber, it's Derek. And I was trying to see what y'all are doing.
How's this thing been, man?
You know, it does its job.
Still swinging it?
Yeah.
Are you?
Look at the tires in the back.
Yeah.
Still swinging it.
I'll tell him your secret. Who would have ever thought? Oh, you even back her in.
Yeah.
You're too bougie for this. Damn, this shit's clean though. What model is this?
This is the Y Performance.
Y Performance, okay. I remember the last time we actually filmed, you were talking about you were on the fence about getting it. Because your work, you have to commute a little bit, right?
An hour to work every day, so.
How's the charging thing been? Is it pretty solid each day?
Yep. You know, wake up, it's ready to go.
Not full charge?
Yep.
Oh,
yep.
shit.
Just
Nice.
yeah, charges like 4 hours, you know, so not too bad.
That's not bad at all, actually. What's the range, like 300 or something?
It says 300, but if you know, what you
If you're-
drive,
yeah.
like 250.
That's still good, though. I
not
mean,
terrible.
hell yeah. Do you ever supercharge it, like when you're out and about, or do you just kind of just do it at home?
Like if I'm traveling.
If you're traveling,
definitely,
yeah.
Which is super close.
How is that? That's a different experience, I'm sure. Instead of gas in, gas out.
Yeah, but it's like, so it's smart. So like it'll like you only charge to what you need and you go on again.
No
so like,
shit.
Say like we went to North Carolina and we stopped. You know, you're gonna piss once or twice.
Yeah.
So we stopped. You charge for 10 minutes. By the time you walk in, take a piss, buy a snack. It's ready. You know, it's already.
That's true, yeah, because you're out. Yeah, you got some minutes worth.
Yeah, so you're not really sitting there for that long. You know, you buy lunch, you know, then you're good to go.
Yeah.
He's out here every day trying to race every Mustang.
How's it do from a dig?
Broad Street,
Oh, dude,
because that 40 is hit it.
And with the
It's like-
performance from a dig, I'm sure it gets down.
You were just bucking at
Yeah,
somebody.
I don't think I've ridden in one though. Not that I remember.
simple. That's
Yeah,
really
this
what
is-
it Like, at
This is
first
sick. This is gonna be the first electric content you see on the internet that's not lame, mark my words. He still has the Mach though, so you know, even though he went all electric, at least he swings this thing. And this is what happens when a Mustang owner gets their hands on a Tesla. Bro, someone needs to take your fucking key card, bro. Too fucking funny, bro.
It does good.
We caught a couple rocks in the legs, but no big deal. Dude, that thing swings pretty good, huh?
Right? It handles it.
Fuck the Mach.
It could be the next track car. You never know.
Elon needs to get with you, bro.
That's when someone Tesla come at me. Just put me as the driver. I'll be out there.
One last thing real quick.
What's up?
I've never launched in one before.
Oh.
You gotta launch me real quick.
I think you should launch it.
Bruh, chill.
Yeah, get in the hot seat.
Well, okay, but what
hot
feels better though, being a passenger and feeling
Well,
it?
yeah, that's true. Be a
Yes.
passenger.
Yeah.
Get the real
Feel it
experience.
more.
I want to feel it. I want to feel like, you know, the stomach in the fucking and throw. So is this all-wheel drive?
All-wheel drive, 50/50, race mode. Let's turn off that regenerative braking. We don't need it right now. We're fucking just going straight.
We're gonna feel it.
Alright.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god! Bro, that's so nasty. Dude! Yeah, no, for sure. But oh god! Oh fuck! Camera almost wet my teeth. If you guys have never ridden in one, like I can see the hype, like why people take them to the track and just embarrass everybody. Little throwback to the other video we did here.
I've seen so many
Swinging the mock. Oh, that car's fire, dude.
Alright, now see, look, you gotta slide the
That's
Tesla
sick.
while you're watching yourself slide.
Chill out. Dude, that was already what, like 6 months ago?
Yeah, a minute. It's cold.
Damn, yeah, it's coming soon. Appreciate you, bro. It's good meeting you, man. The Tesla swinger. Alright, guys, y'all have a good one, man. That was too funny, man. Too funny, too fun. Appreciate you, Hunter, for the content on that. Doesn't care. Just grabs a $60,000 Tesla and swings it like that. That deserves a like, guys.